than this is. This is like a good, cuts really well. This one didn't have any issues. Like, I didn't think about like
although the grid behind it kind of does take away a little bit. The ascuity of the letters almost helps with that. Like, dude, that pops.
I know, that's what I'm saying. It looks really freaking good, dude. Don't look at it yet. That looks so good. What the heck? That looks like so professional. Does it not? I'm happy with that. Oh, cool. I wasn't recording that whole thing. I think that's pretty good for doing it ourselves for the first time.
Yep.
A little bit more. A little bit better, you know?
Yeah. Practice makes perfect. Yeah, this one just wants to spin.
So we just got all the wheels off. First thing we're gonna do is take off the old calipers and the old rotors, and it should be pretty simple. Just take off and put on. Also, he has steel brake lines that are just gonna eliminate all this mess that goes all the way around. It's just gonna come straight from the caliper into that hard line right there. So we're gonna be installing that as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off, and we will go from there. Alright, so I just took off everything and put this line in. This side's done, ready for everything to go on. This is what the back's looking like. same deal. Take off everything and put the line on, and then also on the front and the back you have to bend this plate. So that's what we did there. That's what he's doing right now. The most professional thing I've ever seen.